Hey everyone. Today, let's dive into the world of freelancing. What is freelancing and who exactly is a freelancer? Well, freelancing is a way of working where individuals offer their skills and services to multiple clients on a project-by-project basis. Unlike traditional employees, freelancers aren't tied to a single employer. Instead, they have the freedom to choose their projects, set their own schedules, and work from virtually anywhere. So, who is a freelancer? A freelancer can be anyone with a marketable skill. Writers, graphic designers, web developers, photographers, digital marketers, and even consultants can all work as freelancers. Essentially, if you have a skill that others need, you can freelance. But it's not just about having skills. Being a successful freelancer requires a mix of self-discipline, time management, and the ability to market yourself. Freelancers need to constantly seek out new opportunities, negotiate contracts, and deliver high-quality work to build their reputation. One of the biggest perks of freelancing is flexibility. You can work from your favorite coffee shop or even while traveling the world. However, it also means you have to manage your own finances, deal with irregular income, and sometimes face periods of no work. In conclusion, freelancing offers a unique blend of freedom and responsibility. It's perfect for those who crave independence and are willing to hustle to make it work. Thanks for tuning in. If you'd like to learn more about freelancing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. See you next time.